I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty cool.
Du är riktigt cool.
You've seen these eye-catching cars on YouTube? You've seen them getting millions of views and subscribers. Now, it's time you own one. Meet Irra, the social rover that turns attention into action. You can drive this rover during a game or event. Watch heads turn, phones whip out, fans gather. Because Irra doesn't just drive, it steals the show. With its fully customizable body, Irra is the ultimate canvas for your creativity. Wrap it in your favorite team's colors. Create your own custom livery. Or give it a fresh new look for every event. Bring Irra to life with custom graphics, sound effects, music, and team chants using the built-in display and speaker system.
Hello there. I'm the task rover that makes work play in an eye-catching way.
Just load your images, add your audio, and drive. Watch Irra captures attention everywhere it goes. It brings people together. Hand out candy, pose for selfies, celebrate with fellow fans, or simply make people smile wherever you go. Experience the excitement from Irra's point of view with immersive first-person driving. Live audio and head tracking that lets you look around naturally as you drive. Don't just watch the crowd. Become the reason they gather. Irra, the social rover, turn attention into action.